In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS corded edger. This guide can be followed for all our corded edgers. Be advised your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material. Carefully lift the edger out of the box and set it on a level surface. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assembling the shaft. The 3 shafts are connected by a cable. Be careful not to damage this wire during assembly. Remove the protective rubber grommets from the shaft. Insert the upper shaft into the middle shaft and line up the holes. There are 2 positions available on both the upper and lower handle tubes to set your preferred height. Fasten the handle tubes together with the knob and bolt. Be careful not to damage the wire inside. Repeat this process to attach the middle shaft to the lower portion. Position the front wheel. Unscrew the adjusting knob and remove the bolt from the hole on the edger head. Unfold the front wheel. Place the bolt through the longer hole towards the front of the edger head. Tighten the knob onto the bolt. Position the auxiliary handle. Loosen the knob on the auxiliary handle and move it into the desired position. Tighten the knob to secure it in place. Keep hands and feet away from the edger blade. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. Before starting the edger, the power source must be connected. Refer to your owner's manual for acceptable extension cords. Near the trigger, you will notice a cord retaining hook. This is intended to secure the extension cord and prevent it from becoming disconnected while in use. Fold your extension cord to form a tight loop and feed this through the hole on the retainer. Slide the loop over the cord retaining hook and pull until the cord is secured. Know the controls. The lockout button is located on the left side of the trigger. The trigger is underneath the handle. Press the lockout button and hold. While holding the lockout button, engage the trigger. The unit will stay on as long as the trigger is squeezed. The lockout button may be released once the blade is in motion. To stop the blade, release the trigger. Before adjusting the cutting depth, disconnect the power source. Loosen the depth adjustment knob. Move the unit to the desired position. Tighten the knob. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your edger, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS edger will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.